Alam mo bang sa bawat swipe mo ng credit card, pwede kang kumita ng rewards? Pero most people, sayang lang yung gastos nila. Pero what if I tell you na may paraan para maging smart spender ka instead of just spending? Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. And for today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit sulit kumuha ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Especially kung gusto mong i-level up yung everyday spending mo. Today, I'll give you 5 benefits of having Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Number 1, earn points every spend. Sa bawat gamit mo or swipe mo ng card mo, may equivalent points yan. So imagine mo kada swipe mo ng groceries, shopping, and bills, may equivalent yan na balik sa'yo. Hindi ka lang gumagastos, kumikita ka rin in a way. Number 2 is flexible redemption. Pwede mong i-convert yung earned points mo into shopping vouchers, gadgets, or even travel perks. So kung mahilig ka mag-travel or mag-shopping, malaking advantage to para sa'yo. Number 3 is no hassle, fully digital experience. Sobrang daling gamitin ng Union Bank application. From tracking your expenses to paying your bills, technically lahat nasa phone mo na. Walang hassle, walang pila. Number 4 nga dyan is yung exclusive discounts and promos. May access ka sa mga promos, discounts, and deals na hindi available sa cash users. So para kang ang VIP every time you use your credit card. Last but not the least is build your credit score. So kung responsible ka nga sa paggamit ng credit card mo, this will help you build your credit score. Which means in the future, mas madaling maa-approvean yung mga loans mo. Or mas madaling ma-approve yung mga ibang financial goals mo. Alam niyo, personally ako, takot na takot ako gumamit ng credit card. Pero nung naintindihan ko siyang gamitin properly, sobra talagang naging helpful siya sa daily life ko. Hindi na sayang yung gastos, mas nagiging rewarding pa. If you want to turn your everyday spending into rewards like me, ito na nga yung perfect time to apply for Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Don't just spend, spend smart. Click the link in my bio kasi mas higher ang chance pag gamit mo ang referral link. Apply na kayo, start earning while you're spending. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more tips and smart budget spending. See you sa next vlog!